Hello guys, how you doing? So today I'm at my brother's place. As you can see, the cars is the Bentley and the Range over there. So I'm not sure you can see that it's a rainy day though. But today I'm here to talk about. It's been a while that I put out a content, but I'm not sure when is the right time to do that. But I'll be doing that very soon though. I'll be putting out a lot of content. I'll be scheduling like at least 3 to 4 videos a week. So I'm working on that. So if you are new here, please subscribe. So a lot of guys have been commenting on my video and on social media saying that about how to make it in life. Actually, I've been watching a lot of YouTube videos from Gary Vee and then Grant Cardone. Those two guys are killing it. And if you haven't seen their video, you should Google them. It's Gary Vee and then Grant Cardone. They are doing it big time for themselves. So I'm sorry, I have a little cold though. So I'm sorry for my voice. So they say that if you want to do in life, you don't just have to depend on someone to do it for you, and that play out for all of us. Actually, it play out for most of the young guys growing up. We always depend on people to do it for us. Like we want our parents or maybe family members or relatives or maybe friends to help us in a way. But I think that it doesn't necessarily mean that someone have to help you. You have to help yourself. You have to get up and do it and start killing it. Whatever it is that you want to achieve, you can start a little, just little by little, and then you can do it. So I think that's what is been holding me down too. So I'm not perfect though, but I think we all can do it. So if I can do it, you too can do it. So if you are new here, please subscribe. I'll be sharing more videos about motivation, how to make money online, and all those good stuff. So if you are new here, please subscribe. And thanks for watching. And leave comment below. Tell me what video you want to see next. Thank you for watching.